What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So first of all, we now have a dedicated blogging platform. So that is at fortunedev.blog, where you'll find right now we don't have that many blog posts, but soon enough we're going to have a ton of these posts, and I'm going to be redoing them for all my videos, so that if you want a written write-up that you can follow along with, then I guess different people learn in different ways. So others prefer something written. So that's why we have this new platform that will be focused on mainly passive income ideas for making income for developers, among other technologies such as PHP, Python, and JavaScript. So for today's video, we're going to be looking over 10 of the best passive income ideas for programmers or developers. Well, of course, you can find the full write-up to this blog. I will leave the link down in the description. So let me just click on this right here. So be sure to check out the blog as well, and join the newsletter, whatever, subscribe, just whatever you can do, just do it. Okay, so this is the particular blog post, and I'm going to go over all of these particular methods and how I think is the perfect way to go about them if you want to make a decent buck out of them. So the first one is definitely selling software or an application. So what you can do is that you can create, if you are really good at whatever language you have, you can create a software that you sell to people, which maybe you can host it on your own website where users can be able to download it. I'd probably advise you to create a free version of that software, and then maybe create a pro version, so maybe people can opt into a pro version and pay a little bit of money for that. And of course, for mobile applications, that has something to do with the Play Store and the Apple Store. So basically just like developing your applications, then shipping them off to the Play Store, where you can earn from ads, from in-app purchases, and so many other things. Well, the second method you can do this is to start a blog. Of course, a blog in this case is like the same one we're on. It's pretty simple to set up a blog. So what you can do is, if you have some really good writing skills, just start a blog, maybe on programming, or maybe advice, or maybe you can just be reviewing stuff. You may be buying maybe laptops and other technology. What am I talking about? You can be buying maybe laptops, cameras, just high-tech gear, and reviewing them on your blog or something, and then maybe put affiliate links down below, so that when people purchase it, you do get a percentage. And of course, you can also monetize via ads, and definitely really a lot of things that you can do from a blog. And number 3 is creating a tutorial YouTube channel. So this one, I'm just going to be honest, it's not that simple. It's going to be demanding from you, but really, if you really get this on lock, it can really open a lot of opportunities for you. A lot of opportunities, because clients can reach out to you directly from the platform. You'll have an audience to sell your digital products, your affiliate links. So definitely, and you will also get monetized by the YouTube monetization program. So basically, you have so many ways to make money off YouTube, but it's also demanding and really, 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 really competitive platform. So, but you can consider that as well. Number 4 is going to be selling web templates. Web templates. I personally have done this using some of the M-Pesa integrated websites, where I sell some of them for like 100 shillings, and they do generate sales. So it's really a solid idea. Trust me, it's a solid idea, because it's something that you do once, and then just randomly you'll just keep receiving some money from someone just who made a random purchase from maybe a template you even forgot about, but it's still earning you something. So if you get to a point where you have several of these themes and templates that are really nice, then you will be able to make literally the amount of money you can make from this is infinite. So no cap, no cap. Another way is selling stock photos and videos, but you really have to be good with this. If you're good with photography, or maybe you can really edit stuff really well, you can just put this up on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or even iStock Photo, and you'll get purchases from people all over the world. So, and I think that goes in tune with also graphic designs. I know a guy who's really good at graphic designs, and he really makes a decent buck from this. So it's a solid idea. Next is creating a software as a service. So what really this is maybe like something that helps companies, save time on operations, maybe on something like marketing, basically anything. You can even create an online application that maybe removes backgrounds of images, resizes them, crops them, optimizes them, and then maybe just charge people an amount for this. Yani, you can just basically create anything that is of value on the web, and maybe just because it's valuable, people are willing to pay to enjoy the service. So that's basically how SaaS works. Okay, let's head over to number 8, which is going to be chatbots. Chatbots are really popular right now, and you can find this literally everywhere. You find chatbots on websites, you even find them on servers like Discord, you even find them on Telegram. And right now, like, the companies really are willing to invest in chatbot software for customer support and just basic interaction of users before they can even buy other products. So really, they really are willing to buy these chatbots. Okay. So the next one is a niche website. A niche website. I don't care what you decide to make for this niche website. You can do whatever, as long as people are willing to pay for um, personalized or maybe content that's not available for everyone. It's kind of like if you have a YouTube channel, then you create a Patreon page where people get exclusive access to content that is maybe special or full length. They'll be willing to pay in terms of subscription models, maybe a monthly subscription, a yearly subscription, or whatever. And this is really one of the best ways, because this is guaranteed incomes, because you'll be sure that this is the amount you earn from the number of members that are actually paying for maybe a monthly subscription on your website. And last but not least, it is creating and selling WordPress plugins. This is just insane, because the market for WordPress plugin has never really gone down. It just keeps going up over the years, and don't really have an excuse on this one, because you can literally create a plugin on anything WordPress related. You even can create one for a payment gateway, because literally the one for M-Pesa, to the best of my knowledge, the working M-Pesa plugin goes for around 5,000 for the pro version. So you can do the math, and it has a ton of downloads every month. So just do the math in your head.